I welcome all the teams who has consented to participate, who has come in full numbers, and I'm sure they would participate with full vigor without ever forgetting that it is playing that is important, not winning. I'm sure this will instill in you fair practices, good play, and team spirit. I welcome all of them, all the coaches, the managers, referees, linesmen, everyone. I welcome all of you. I welcome all the members of the audience, parents who have joined us in welcoming these teams. Welcome all of you. It has been the inspiration of our chairman that we have been able to organize this JG Cup last year, and this year it has grown into almost double with 30 teams participating. He has been always an inspiration for everything that we do, and I really thank him and welcome him to this event. Thank you all the dignitaries. I welcome all of you once again. Thank you.
I request our chairman, Mr. John G. Varghese, to present Dr. Parag Seth a bouquet. May I now call upon our chairman to address us.
Our chief guest, Dr. Parag Seth, our Executive Director, Mr. M.P. Chandran, Executive Director of Asia Campus, George John, respected Sri K.L.N. Shastri, President of Asia, Sri Saurabh Choksi, Director of JG Group of Colleges, Mr. Gulab Chawan, Secretary, Gujarat State Football Association, Mr. Arun Singh, Secretary, Ahmedabad District Football Association, Mr. Rafiq, Kerala Vision TV channel from Trivandrum, respected Principal Madam Mrs. Ghosh, distinguished guests, all members of the participating team,
Remove that.
dear
No,
parents,
let it come, let it come.
Wait.
and dear friends.
Okay.
No, this is coming, no, leave it.
I am very happy that our JG International School, in association with the Gujarat State Football Association, is organizing this JG Cup football tournament on a big way. Last year we had 16 teams. I am glad this year we have 30 teams participating from all over the state. This is a state event. It's a very important event. I am very glad to see such a large number of 300 children participating in such a major event.
ताली बजा सबने.
Thank you all the participants. I wish all the participants, all the teams, all the best. No doubt one can win. That does not mean the others are losers. As far as we are concerned, we are encouraged by the large participation. Thank you once again to all the participant teams. As you know, the management of our education institutions are always very conscious to see the all-round development of the children. And so, we give equal importance to the extracurricular activities, sports and cultural activities. Football is a major important sports all over the world, but not so in Gujarat. We are trying our level best to popularize the sports, football, by organizing this annual event as JG Cup football tournament. I request our director of JG colleges, Mr. Saurabh Chokshi, to consider this for the colleges also, so that all the colleges of Gujarat can also have a JG Cup from now onwards. The college students will be a major force to be in sports, which will be more appreciated by the people at large. I am sure our efforts are appreciated by all the parents also. I wish all the participating teams all the best. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
I now request our chief guest, Dr. Parag Seth, to speak a few inspiring words.
Dignitaries on dais, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Good evening, and I don't want to eat upon a lot of time on this pleasant Sunday evening for all of you. I'm so happy, and it's so nostalgic to see you all standing there, such lovely children, you know, raring to go to compete with each other and succeed in this sport. May he be the greatest footballer of all time, Pele, or Diego Maradona, or amongst the current crop, Ronaldo or Ronaldinho, or even Lionel Messi, who was just recently voted as the best sportsman in the world for this year. You take any one of them, and they must have started like how these boys are, starting that game in the school. Till now, cricket was the only game which was, followed by a large number of people in this country. But slowly, the change is apparent. You see Commonwealth Games, and there are so many other sports apart from cricket, and sportsmen who have done really well and who are progressing and bringing a lot of pride to the country. And I see no reason why these children in the future can't do the same thing for football. There was a time when parents wanted all their wards to, build their career in one of the professional courses. May he be a doctor or an engineer or a professor or some chartered accountant. But now, this trend is quickly changing. Now sports also can be pursued as a career. And I see no reason why 10 years, 20 years down the line, like IPLs and ICLs, we will have football academies also and football leagues also in this country like so many other countries. I was in Sydney for years, and I can bring all those. There is a local version of football called footy,